Hello everyone and welcome back to Beae tutorial series, and today we will be discussing that how to add video on background of your section. Without wasting any further time, let's get into it. To do that, go to your Elements tab and you will see a heading element in there. If you can't see, just type heading and you will see that. Just drag and drop it in your page and your heading will be added. On the right side of your screen you will see some editing tools. So let's edit our text into something else. So as you can see, I have edited my text and you can see the heading has been changed. So let's bold the heading and underline it. You can also add link and strokes to your heading, but we will leave it as it is. So let's head over to the Style tab, and from here we can center align our heading. Let's change our heading color to something lighter. In typography, you can change the font of your text also. To change the text of your heading, click on this select font and you can upload any font you want. But we can also use the Google fonts we have here. So let's suppose I want to use this Rubik font. I will click on it and click the select, and you can see the font has been changed. Let's increase the size of our font a little bit. Let's add weight to my font, about 600. Let's uppercase all the alphabets. Let's adjust a line height little bit, and you can also add letter spacing with this slider. Now it's time to add a video in the background of this heading. Head over to the left side of your screen and you will see a section 1. Click on that and you will see some new tools appear on right side of your screen. Head over to the Style tab and you will see background option. In this drop down menu, click on background style and then go to the video. You can place any link of the video you want here and it will be displayed in the background of your heading. Let's suppose I want to add this beautiful video of this forest. I will paste the link and you can see the video has been appeared in the background. You can also set the start time of your video. Let's suppose I want to start my video from 30 seconds. I will type 30 and you can see the video will start from 30 seconds now. I can also set the end time of my video here. Let's type 50 seconds and now my video will be played from 30 seconds to 50 seconds. I can also loop my video from 30 seconds to 50 seconds. To do that, click on this loop icon and your video will be looped. So in case the video cannot be shown, you can also add an image which will be shown while video cannot be played. Click on this select image icon and you can upload any image you want. Or you can also use these free images here. So let's suppose I want to display this beautiful image of this bird. I will click on it and then I will hit the select button and the picture is added now. You can also add CSS filters on your video, like you can blur your video, change the brightness of video, add contrast to your video, change the saturation of your video, and you can also change the hue of your video from here. But I will keep all these settings as they were before. You can also add a video link which will be only playing when you hover over the video. To do that, go to the hover tab and to the background style. Then you can paste any video link you want here, set the start time and the end time. Loop the video. So now when you will hover over your heading, the video will be played, otherwise it will be still image we selected before. Let me show you multiple times that how this video plays. From this background overlay tab, you can add an overlay over your video. Go to the background style and select any image overlay you want to place. I will select this wood texture over my video. Click on this texture and then click select. I can increase the opacity of my wood texture and you will notice the wood texture has been displayed above the video. I can decrease the opacity about my liking and you will notice the overlay has been added to the video. We can also add CSS filters over our background overlay. I would like to add a little blur on it. You can also add shape divider over your background video. Select where you want it, on top or bottom. I will select the top. Hit this pen tool and select what type of shape divider you want. I will select clouds. I can change the height of clouds, flip them, invert them, and even bring to front of my heading. But I will like to keep them behind. You can also change the color of your shape. I would like to select a bluish tone. Let's decrease the height of our heading. You can also add borders to your video, which may appear all the time or when you hover over it. To add the border, click on this pen tool and select the border type you want. I will select the solid. You can change the width of your border. I would like to keep it on 2.3. Let's change the color of the border on red. You can also change your border radius from here, but I would like to keep it 0. Let's add shadow to the box. Click on this pen tool and you can add shadow on your box. Let's select a black color for our shadow. Change the position of our shadow, add a little blur to it and adjust the spread. In typography you can change the heading color, but I would like to keep it white. You can also change text color, link color or link hover color. To change the alignment of heading, click on this pen tool and you can change the alignment from here. In the layout panel, you can change the settings of your section like width, height and gap. Let's adjust the width of our section to full width and let's adjust the height of our section, and now you can see the height of our section is increased, but let's keep it on 200. So that's how you can use background video for a section. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.